How's about a delicious grapefruit? Oh boy. Okay, here we go. Good old grapefruit. And I'll save these peelings to put in compost. I have a little bit of compost started. The weather's supposed to turn warm here pretty soon. And I want to go ahead and get that little mint plant in a pot so it can get out big. And then decide what I'm going to put in the other. I got at least 3 more pots I can use. 2 or 3. I've got to decide what I'm going to put in them. Some of this off. My husband's gone to Odessa. Visit friends. Here's sometime, let's see, this February, sometime next month. Hopefully next month. We're planning on going out of town, spend the night at some ghost town somewhere here in West Texas that I haven't been to yet. My husband said there's a place where you can spend the night there. So I like going to places like that and checking it out. And we're going to take our metal detector too. That'll be fun. I've been wanting to do that. Get out and live a little bit. Okay, let me go dump these right quick. delicious grapefruit. Delicious grapefruit. I tried to start some grapefruit seeds, like somebody said on the internet. It didn't work. Didn't work. I don't know what would. I just don't have a green thumb, really. Kitty cat. Can y'all see the kitty cat out there? Kitty, kitty, kitty! Wow! Kitty, kitty! Oh. They're hungry, but we're out of cat food. There's not hardly any birds around for them, the cats. Here in West Texas, we will know when it's spring, when the freezes are past, when the mesquite trees start to bud out and the buzzards come back from Mexico. Those are always the two best signs. But that spring has sprung. Those are delicious. I just love grapefruit. And it lowers your blood pressure. Delicious. Y'all want to see the birdies? You can see any activity over there at the birds. See any activity? I can't tell. I can't tell if y'all can see them or not. Well, I guess that's pretty boring for y'all. Just wanted to share some grapefruit with you.